So we're talking now about the new Systainer Generation 3 organizers. They're gonna come in the M size and the L size. There's gonna be 3 in each size. One of them, or the first one in each size, is gonna be an empty one without any of the interlocking boxes. On the M size, the first one will include 6 boxes, and another one will include 22 boxes. On the L size, you have one that's going to have 20 boxes and one that's going to have 10 boxes. Now the nice thing about the boxes is I lift this out, on the bottom are these little nibs, okay? So the box, when it goes in, settles into those nibs, and up top here, when I close the Systainer top, those lock the boxes in, so when this is in your truck or your van and it gets shaken around, everything stays in those compartments. So it makes organization and parts handling perfect.